You searched how to buy shares of Skye Bioscience Inc. Skye Bioscience Inc. is a clinical stage biotechnology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Skye. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy Skye, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds to place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SKYE to locate the stock. Select the listing that matches Skye Bioscience Inc. to ensure you have the correct company. On the asset page, review the brief company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct security. Check that the issuer name, sector, and ticker SKYE match Skye Bioscience Inc. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending market order, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your SKYE position will appear in your portfolio with quantity and cost details. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same demo steps.